Hey everyone, you guys want to learn about affiliate marketing? This is the video for you. Well, I'm going to go into the basic and stuff. If you're just starting out, this is the perfect video for you. I'll get into more detail on other videos, but make sure you subscribe if you want to make some money. If you ever try to search online for affiliate marketing, you probably heard of ClickBank. Everybody's talking about it. And what is actually ClickBank? ClickBank is basically a marketplace where you can promote offers and make money from each sale. Basically, you come in here and you sign up. It's pretty easy. I'm not gonna go through the signing up process. You just enter your information. You come in, you go to marketplace, you just hit Blink search and go through Gravity. Gravity is how many people actually promoted this offer this month. And like for Okinawa Flat Belly, about 577 people promoted, but that doesn't mean it only got 577 sales. Like one person could have gotten like 100 or 1,000 sales. So this offer probably making like, I don't know, 6 figures a month or more, or maybe even 7. I don't know. But you come in here, the offer page. To get your link, you just hit promote and you type in your account nickname and the tracking ID. Tracking ID is how you could see where the traffic is coming from. Like you could say Bing, or depends on what your traffic you're using. Like you could have Yahoo traffic, you could type Yahoo here, and if you're using Pinterest, you could type Pinterest. But the initial conversion, like it gives you some stats here. Rebilling means like people will get charged every month, and you get paid every month for doing nothing, just getting the first sale. But if you haven't seen the ClickBank offers, it's mostly video sales letters, and they usually start out with like scaring tactics, fear factors. You can see like I'm not gonna turn on the sound because it's gonna be too loud. But basically, if somebody buys one bottle, you get like 75% usually. So it's about like $60, $50-$60. If people buy like the 6 bottles, then you get like 100 something over here too. But you could come in here, there's categories over here, like depends on what niche you want to go into: business, investing, cooking. If you don't know what niche to choose, I advise you to pick something you're interested in, or you have some previous experience with. Like maybe you like gardening or language. If you have kids, go parenting. All these are pretty good offers. I'm not gonna go too much into how you pick offers on ClickBank. That's for a different video. But you could get the affiliate like information. Some of the vendors will provide you with all the information you need, like the banner, social media, lead magnets. They got everything right here. So this is why doing affiliate marketing is much easier. You don't have to create a bunch of content. Like you could just use their stuff, and I would probably change it a little because everybody else is using the same thing. If you change it up a little, it probably look more fresh to the audience. They even give you like the demo breakdown. And the other popular website is Digi24 or JVZoo or Warrior Plus. These websites you probably heard of. JVZoo is more like software oriented. Like most of these are like softwares people use. It's more toward like marketing stuff, marketing softwares, keywords, video creation, content creation, bots, these stuff. And like Warrior Plus, it's more make money online stuff. It's more, there's a lot of different type of product, but I feel like the Warrior Plus products are a little more low quality in my opinion. Like see, some of these vendors actually, they keep creating like new products every month. This is how they make money. Like they just keep creating new products. And these products, if you ever bought the Warrior Plus products before, they're pretty cheap. Like I wouldn't say they're really expensive, like a 10,000 or $5,000 course or anything, but they're usually under like $20, $15, or even less. Let's see, this one's only like $6, but the $6 they only give you like the basic, and they try to get you on the upsells. Like they're gonna upsell you OTO 1, OTO 2, downsells, upsells, whatever. If you don't know what downsells and upsells are, basically if you buy that product, it's gonna tell you like, okay, madness profits, like they're gonna upsell you with like content or like other stuff or more. So at the end you might be paying like $200 or more, depends on the offer. But the other place where you can find a lot more offers, there's basically unlimited offers. You can promote anything you want with you could come to OfferVault. OfferVault is they it's basically like the website's vault of affiliate offer and programs. There's crypto, Ferox, make money. If you're into these kind of things, crypto, see the other stuff, they're all in here. There's like CPA offers. If you don't know what CPA is, basically it's like, it's almost the same as affiliate marketing, but CPA is more cost per action. So it might not be like a sale. It could be like a email opt-in, the SOI, the single email opt-ins, and all these pay-per-call like lead. A CPA is more like a lead generation type of thing. But basically when you're driving these offers, you want like sorry, I drew this on the previous because I found out my mic wasn't on, so this is the second recording. Basically you want to choose a niche first, and from the niche you want to see how you're going to drive traffic. The freeway is of course the social. Everybody wants the freeway, but just know if you're doing the freeway, it's gonna take more of your time to, especially to get it started. And it's gonna social, like forums, Quora, and all this other stuff, Pinterest. If you're doing ads, it's ads, social, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all the stuff. And you got PPC. PPC is Google, Bing, Yahoo, and there's Pop, push traffic. These are they're lower quality, and you have native. The difference between like social and PPC is, I think it's more like social is more PPV. PPV stands for pay per view. So if even like 100 people see it and nobody clicks, Facebook's still gonna charge you for it. How much they charge will depends on the CPM they think the audience is worth. So if like 10 people are bidding for it, the CPM is going to be a lot higher for the same audience. And CPM's pretty expensive right now, like especially after the Apple iOS update. It kind of screwed up Facebook for sure. Like everybody's stats are pretty off, and a lot of people are seeing like really expensive conversions and stuff. So if you're trying to do Facebook, probably will see all these costs going up. PPC on the other hand is pay per click. So let's say that 100 people see the ad and nobody clicks, you're not gonna get charged. You only get charged when somebody clicks on the ad, and how much you get charged will depends on your niche and how much budget you set on the offer. Sorry, this writing is kind of nasty, but basically when you're sending traffic, you want to send to landing page. There's two ways, like landing page or direct, but I think direct is pretty bad. Like if you're just sending direct traffic to the offer, people come from everywhere and they don't expect to get to like a sales page, and people get pissed off kind of sometimes, and they straight up just close the window. And if you send them to the landing page, like you could pre-sell what the offer is and like how it actually helps them, why they actually need this product, and then you send them there. Or there's this more advanced way is to collect emails. The squeeze page, you want the email, you want their email, because emails are very important. This is how you're gonna make a lot more money in the long run. Because if you're sending traffic direct to the offer, you're basically gonna lose this lead. Straight up, they might buy and like give you money, but then this is like the only one-time deal. It's like one night stand kind of thing. You only get like one try. You only get one time to make the money. If you have their email, then like you could keep emailing them like different offers down the road, like 5 days, 10 days. You have like multiple offers. You could keep emailing them, but you gotta provide content, or people are just gonna think you're spamming and just straight up block you. So always remember to provide content, good content. And a squeeze page is like this. Basically, you just want to collect emails and names. You've probably already seen a lot of these, like since you've been searching make money online, affiliate marketing. Like most of the page you land on is gonna be like squeeze page. They might have like a lead magnet, like an ebook, and then email. And there might be like how to make $100 a day doing crap. No, how to make $100 a day in like 2 hours or something ridiculous. They usually like if you're building landing page, the title is pretty important, but that's a whole nother video. I'm not gonna go too into detail about that. And let's see. Oh yeah, if you're sending people to like a normal website, Fashion Nova. If you don't know what Fashion Nova is, it's one of the biggest site on Shopify. Shopify, the big e-commerce site, or people, if you come from the drop shipping thing, drop shipping stuff, you probably heard of Shopify. This is most of the people are using Shopify. But if you send just people to like a normal website, people are gonna get lost. There's too much distraction. There's too much place where people could click and get lost, because all you want is their email or their click to go to the direct offer or the email. And that's basically how the affiliate market stuff works. To put it in like the most basic explanation is you're promoting offers with the link. Create your hop link for ClickBank, JVZoo, same thing. You just get the link and then put it into a website, or if you're sending them directly. But if you're doing ads, make sure you have tracking. Tracking is very important, especially for ads. You should be tracking your free offers too, but if you're gonna be spending money, you better be tracking, or else you're just throwing money into the water. You're just throwing rocks into the water, basically, if you don't have tracking. But that's basically it for like this intro to affiliate marketing. If you got some valuable information, make sure you hit the subscribe and comment down below what other stuff you would like to learn. And I will be creating more videos into more details on each of these steps: the free traffic, the ads, the tracking, and blah blah blah, the landing page, the offers, how do you set all these up, I'll create all these stuff. Only just make sure you subscribe, and yeah, making money and keep hustling. Alright, peace out.